The truth about getting rich isn't about working harder, it's about working on the right thing. Most people who succeed at a high level didn't get there just by grinding harder than everyone else. They picked the right vehicle. That's what makes 95% of the difference. You can work like crazy and still struggle if you're not in the right lane. Meanwhile, someone else who chooses a better vehicle can move faster with less effort. That doesn't mean they're smarter or better, just that they made a better decision early on. The internet changed everything. Digital products especially have become one of the most efficient ways to create leverage. You can sell once and deliver forever. And now, with AI, the game's leveling up again. There are more tools, more reach, and fewer barriers than ever before. That means less friction getting started and more potential upside. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich quicker. It's not effortless, but it's easier and faster than it's ever been if you pick the right path. Most people don't even realize the options available to them. They're still walking while others are flying. That's not their fault, they just haven't been exposed to the vehicles that exist. But if you're aware of what's out there, it's on you to make use of it. Ultimately, choosing the right vehicle, like digital products, paired with AI, is what gets you where you want to go. Not hustle porn. Not romanticizing hard work for the sake of it. It's being strategic. That's the edge.